What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Danny, and today we have a banger. We got the Z06 back from Nick. We just picked it up from the shop, drove down a couple minutes. We're here at BMS. We're gonna get the car dyno tuned, so get ready, boys. Let's get your numbers in the comments. Let me see what number you guys think the car's gonna put down. Heads and cam, intake manifold, forged pistons. But yeah, let's keep this intro short. Let's get into it. We got a couple of the boys heading over here, Drew and a couple other friends. So let's get into this video. We got the master back there, Kelvin, strapping her down. What's up? What's up? We got Drew.
Making a thousand horsepower.
Yo, man, don't make me feel bad, bro. That's Drew, guys. He's been really helpful with this whole process as well. I mentioned him in the previous video. He's built a couple pretty badass cars. Turbo Camaro, Trans Am, and the man himself. Pretty excited, guys. I'm really excited to get this thing dynoed. I'm hoping we could get 580. Anything over 580, I'll be happy. But you never know. But yeah, guys, I'll put in some clips now. Let's let them do their thing, and I'll catch you in a couple minutes. Alright, guys, I think we're gonna do like a little baseline soon here. Over here, Nick, everybody showed up. Sounds good. Sounds good. Wow, not a bad start. Already in the 500s. All right, guys, first pull, 517. How's it look? Yo, 560. Yeah. Damn. All right. Sheesh. 560. All right, boys, we're almost there. We are almost there. Let's go. Damn, it's about to hit the 500 mark, huh? About to hit 500 torque. Pretty good. Woo. Drew, 570. We're getting there.
I think it's fucking with the timing now. That's
crazy. Nice. 578, 500 torque. That's a great number, dude. Yeah. Woo! 578. We're almost there.
That's it, Daddy. Don't go no.
Oh, what the hell, man?
Huh?
We're gonna push it, bro.
You put the other stuff in.
Hey, listen, bro. Stop it. We just made another pass. 581 and 504 torque. It's about 106 degrees in here. Kelvin's putting in that work, man. The master. She's cooking. She's doing real good. On a cool day, this car will definitely be damn close to 600 horsepower, guys. So very happy. Very, very happy. She's running like a top. Just let the car cool down a little bit. Very, very happy with that. 584. Damn. Super hot. So I think on a cooler day, definitely make 590. And Kelvin put in that OT today. He got his drag Corvette up on the lift. He's doing a built tranny for it. So that's gonna be a pretty nasty car. He's making way over 1,000 horsepower. Guys, if you need any kind of tuning, dynoing, Kelvin is the guy to see, man. BMS 954-604-4550. He definitely knows what he's doing, man. He was spot on with his numbers. You got some pretty badass cars here too. happened? You got scared?
No.
How do you feel?
Huh?
How do you feel about the car? It's doing good?
No, it's great. It's great. Pero I would just leave it like that for ahora.
Why don't you want me to make 600 horsepower, man?
You gotta change. You gotta change out the things. You're not gonna. You gotta change out. It's already comes. You gotta change out.
All right, but if we could get close, you know.
No, man. Never push it.
My dad doesn't want me to make 600 horsepower, man. Guys, wow, man, crazy. Really happy, you know. I think we're capped out with the heat and with the way that the car is modified at the power that it's gonna make. I think in a cooler day, I'll see if I can pass by and see if Kelvin can do a dyno run, and in the like it's winter, see if we get some higher numbers for it. I am gonna buy the Haltech intake and do some other mods for it to see if we could get her just a little bit closer to the 600 mark, and then obviously we'll do the flex fuel in the future. So, but I'm very happy, man. The car is running like a top, as you guys can see. So I think Kelvin should be finishing up here pretty soon, and I'll be driving her home, and we'll do a little in-car video, guys. Guys, we are on the way home. We just left BMS. Kelvin got her pretty much dialed in. We're gonna probably change the intake because it looks like that was what was limiting the car from getting closer to the 600 mark. Besides the temperature, 106 degrees. It's pretty bad. But look at the car, guys. Look at this thing. It's super quiet. Coolant is 180 degrees. Look at this thing. Who would have thought this was a stage 3 cam? Look at this. Cruising, nice and quiet. Nick did a hell of a job, guys. He did a hell of a job. If you're looking for a proper LS mechanic, that is the guy you need to go see, guys. Him and Kelvin together put a crazy car for me together, man. I'm extremely happy. As you can see, guys, I'm chilling 84 miles an hour on the highway. This is with the valves closed, AC's cranking. I'm freezing my ass off in here. I couldn't be happier, guys. Another day, it's kind of late, there's a lot of traffic, but another day we'll go out and we'll do some pulls on the highway so you guys can really see what this car is capable of. It's incredible. I went for a little, like a street tune drive with Kelvin, and we hit it at like 50, 60 miles an hour. It just ripped the tires like if they were nothing, man. It was insane. So extremely happy, guys. I'm driving her home. I don't know if I'll make an ending to this video, but I hope you guys are gonna enjoy the video, and just like and subscribe, guys. I'm gonna be uploading a lot of cool content with the car. We're gonna be enjoying it a lot more now that it's reliable and safe. And thanks for coming along, guys. On to the next one.